Welcome back to Easy Programming by Venugopal. In this video, I'll explain to you how to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not in Python. So first here, I'll create one new file, Armstrong.py. Let's write here question, program to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. So first, what is meant by Armstrong number? Let me explain with an example. Suppose 153 isn't one Armstrong number. How? Here, this is a three-digit Armstrong number. Here, every digit we have to multiply 3 times, and we have to add all these like this: 5 into 5 into 5, then 3 into 3 into 3. Then again, we'll get the same number. Okay, this is a three-digit number. And suppose here, if I take some list of Armstrong numbers, so these are the some of the list of Armstrong numbers. Okay, up to 10,000. So one-digit Armstrong number, and then these are the three-digit Armstrong numbers. Then these are the four-digit Armstrong numbers. Suppose if you take four-digit Armstrong number, every digit we have to multiply 4 times like this, and we have to add. So here 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, then plus 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, then plus 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Again, this will be 1634 only. Okay, right. So first I'll show the code for three-digit Armstrong number. Let's start. So first we'll take a number from keyboard n equal to input of enter the number. And here I will take one variable result initially 0. And here we'll take a loop for suppose digit for digit in n. So right now I'm reading the n value as string format so that we can iterate it. And here from this string of integer, we can iterate each digit. Okay. And then actually these digits are what string format. That's why we have to convert into integer format. So what I do, let's take here r equal to int of digit. Okay, int of digit. So and this digit we have to multiply 3 times. Okay, 3 times, and then we have to add to what variable result. So how to do that? Result equal to result plus, okay, and here r into r into r. That's it. And then here we have to check if result equal to actual number. Okay, but actual number is string format, so you can convert into integer like this. Then if these two are same, then we'll print. So given number is Armstrong. Else print of given number is not Armstrong. That's it. So save and then we'll run it. File name is Armstrong.py. Now here I am taking 153. Yes, this is the Armstrong number. Suppose if I take 155, it is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So let me explain this code step by step. Suppose if I take the n value 153, n is 153. Right now, this is string format. Okay, because I am reading the value in string format, and result is initially 0. Now it will extract. For loop we are taking so that it will extract the each digit. Right now, first digit is 1, right? First digit is 1 from the n. So that string of integer will be converted into integer. The one we are multiplying the 3 times, so that will become only 1. Then that one we are adding to the result. So finally the result is what? Let's write here. Right now the result is 1. So initially it is 0. Now it is 1. Next control will go back. Now this time Next digit is 5. Okay, because from 153, next digit is 5. Now it is also string of integer only, right? Then again, we are converting into integer. Then that integer, I mean the 5, that is the integer. Now we are multiplying 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5. Then that is 125, right? That 125 we are adding to the previous result. So 1 plus 125. Okay, that is total 126. Total 126, right? Next again the control will go back. Now this time next digit is 3. Okay, so 3 again we are typecasting into integer. Now here in this line we are multiplying the 3 times, that is 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Okay, the 27 we are adding to the previous result, that is 126. So 27, right? This is 153 total, right? So now after that the loop will terminate and it will come to the line 12, and here it will check. Now result is 153. Our actual number also 153. So both are same. That's why this will display given number is Armstrong. Suppose if you enter 154, now at the time what happens, 150, I mean 154 means we'll get some other number, right? Result you will not get the 154. Okay, something you will get. So that is not equal to our actual number. At the time the result will become false, or the condition will become false, so that at the time this will display given number is not Armstrong. Okay. Okay, this is fine. Fine. But suppose if I enter the 1634 is a 4-digit Armstrong number, right? But here say 1634. If I enter, this is not Armstrong number it is showing, but actually it is Armstrong number. Okay, why it is showing the not Armstrong? Because here we have written the code for only 3-digit Armstrong number. So let me change this code for any number of digits. That may be 1 or maybe 3 or 4 digits. Small change I will do here. So what we can do here, um, just here, I will find the length here. I will take a length, len of n. Len is a function, right? So it will find the number of characters or number of digits in the in this input. Okay, right? That is p. Now here, what you to do? Here every or we have to multiply how many times? P times. Very simple. Okay, that's it. Now this program will work for any digits. Let me check it now. Save and run. Suppose here I will give 1634. 1634. Yes, it is the Armstrong number C. And if I enter the 153, yes, this should work for 153 also. Yes, it is working for 3-digit and also 4 digits. Okay, we can take another one also. For example, okay, 9474, also one more Armstrong number, 9474, right? So this one also an Armstrong number. Suppose if you enter any other number, suppose 160, it is not an Armstrong. Okay, it is not an Armstrong number. Okay, like that. So in this way, we can find whether the given number is Armstrong number or not using Python coding. So for more such videos, subscribe the channel, click on the bell button. In the next video, I'll come with one more important program. Hare Krishna.